Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and today I'm going to show you how to restart this watch. Restart could be useful if something is not working properly on your watch. Maybe it's a bit sluggish, unresponsive, maybe it's frozen, something is not working on the watch, specifically like an app or something. You could try to restart the watch and hopefully it will solve your problems. And I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. So to restart our watch, we need to wake up the screen and then press and hold the lower button. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. And once the power menu appears, tap on the restart button, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch will reboot. And we're back to the system, and that's how you restart this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.